Hello everyone, and welcome to another Ecospaces Wildlife Garden Design Breakdown and Rationale. On this video, we will be presenting our design scheme for the Our Lady of Grace School Wildlife Garden. The existing garden is surrounded by trees and is generally overgrown with bramble bushes and nettles. The site also slopes drastically down against the school building. The strategy for the site was to create a journey through the garden with seating areas and a woodland grotto along the route. Drainage swales will feed into a fenced-off pond area, and the steep slope next to the building will be bridged by timber deck to bring the site to a more consistent level. The new proposed design layout. The new timber deck will be a great place to have outside classes in summer, as well as watching wildlife. A section of the deck will bridge the pond so the children can get up close to view aquatic life, whereby it is of course always a concern to have large animals, such as foxes, accessing under decks. A well-constructed deck will allow safe quarters for only small wildlife, such as slowworms, common lizards and overwintering insects. Free-binding gravel pathways will make up the paths and seating areas. These will heat up quickly in the sun, allowing insects like the peacock butterfly and dragonflies to sunbathe in the early morning. Spiders such as the wolf spider and zebra spider also prefer to hunt on these warm surfaces. Timber sleepers will be used to build seating benches and bridges over the swales. Drainage swales will slowly funnel rainwater into the wildlife pond. The roots of native wetland plants, such as yellow flag iris, will oxygenate the runoff water in the pond. The wildlife pond and adjoining swales will create habitat for aquatic insects, amphibians, reptiles and also create drinking opportunities for small mammals and birds. Due to the generally shaded nature of the site from surrounding tree cover, the meadow areas will be seeded with a woodland meadow mix comprising of shade-loving wildflowers such as primrose and wood sage. These cool, dappled sunlight meadows will be sanctuaries for numerous woodland species. Bark mulched flower beds will be laden with logs set into the ground, activating the garden's soil life and decomposers such as fungi. Endangered species like the stag beetle will be able to lay their eggs in the decomposing wood, allowing the larvae to grow undisturbed for the 3 years until they transform into adults. Millipedes and woodlouse will also break down dead wooded material, creating a top quality woodland loam soil. The plant will be shade-loving woodland varieties, providing cover and food for the wildlife of the garden. A combination of ground cover plants and shrubs will create a multi-layered canopy, teeming with life, helping birds to thrive. A new hobbit grotto will be built for nature watching and outside classes. In the bottom left of the slide is a custom-made play grotto that we created last year with a climbing tube to give you an idea of the scope within these. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation today. With one last look at the presentation sheet, if you would like any more information, please contact us via our website www.eco-spaces.co.uk, or you can find our Weebly more condensed wildlife site by googling Wildlife Gardens for Schools. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please remember to like and share or subscribe.